This kind of lockdown effect is going very viral nowadays on social media. But how can we do that in Davinci Resolve for free? Let's figure out. So I have opened Davinci Resolve and I have opened this clip, as you can see. Now, if you see that this video is 9:16, and the reason why I took this video is because most of the videos which are being done on social media are 9:16 in vertical mode. But how can we do a 9:16 aspect ratio timeline in Davinci Resolve? That was the only reason I took this video, and let me just show you how you can do that. So I will come here, I will right click, I will click on timeline, create a new timeline, and then here I will not click on create. Instead of that, I will come here and I will untick this, which will open some new options for me. So I will come on format, and on format I will just click on this magical box called use vertical resolution. So I will click on this and now I will create. Now as you can see, it have created a timeline for me which is vertical. So I will just simply go and import my video in here, and after that I will go to Fusion page. In Fusion page, I will click on media 1 to make sure that it's selected, and then I will hit shift plus space on my keyboard. Now it will open a search tab for me where I will search planar tracker and I will add. Now here on the right top corner you can see Davinci have given me the planar tracker controls. Before I do anything, I will just come on my playhead and I will make sure that I'm on the first frame of the video. After my playhead is on the first frame of the clip, I will just go here and zoom the video a bit to see it properly, and I will draw mask here. So let's say I want to track her face, so I will just keep this mask and I will adjust it a bit. There you go. And when I have this mask, I will come on these planar tracker settings. First of all, on the motion type, I will make it translation, and then I will click on set and track forward. There you go, it's being tracked, you can see. And here on my timeline you can see it have created a lot of keyframes, so it means it's all the way tracked. If somehow it couldn't track anything, it was gonna stop somewhere, and these white lines which are the keyframes were not gonna be there. Now I will go on my operation mode and I will change it to steady. Once I do that, if I play now, you will see what happens. So there you go. You can see my video is being stabilized, but now the edges of my videos are coming in my frame. So it means like these areas are not gonna have anything. So if I go and play in my edit page, you can see it's black edges. So that's not what I want. So I will go back to Fusion page. I will make sure my planar tracker is being selected and I will hit shift plus space. After that, in here I will search for transform and I will click on add. Now I will simply come here on the controls, and on size I will increase till I don't see the edges. Now if I play it, there you go, I have a perfectly locked on video. Now do me a favor and let me know how you found my video on YouTube through search or through browser or anything, and was it helpful or not in my comments. Please put a comment, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.